Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to delete unused folder in your Android phone in order to free up more storage space on your Android devices. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you access your file manager. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse, then proceed to my phone right here. Then you have access to all folders on your Android phone, just like what you see right here. Now, there are some apps that are generate folders that you are no longer used on your phone. Maybe you have deleted the apps. So for that, you need to make sure you look for the folder's name of those apps so that you'll be able to delete the right folder and then free up more storage space on your Android phone. Like for instance, this particular PDF reader is an app, and I've already deleted the app on my Android device, and they still have their non folder right here. And as a result of that, they are still going to consume some storage space on my Android phone. So there is no need of you keeping those folders. So the best thing is to look for them and delete them completely. So this one PDF reader right here, I'm going to delete it. So for you to delete forever, click and hold down. This is going to pop up right here. Then you can select as many as possible empty folder that you want to delete. And bear in mind, before you can delete any folder, be sure that you do not have the app in your Android system. So next thing you want to do, I'm going to select this particular folder also, iPDF. Then once you select as many as possible folder that you want to delete from your Android device, click on delete right here. This file will be moved to recently deleted and kept for 30 days before permanent delete. Go ahead and click on delete right here. Now they have successfully deleted. You can review as many as possible non-folders on your Android phone. Once you delete it, click on back. Then you have to go ahead and access your recently deleted. Then you have the folder right here. So you can review the folder from your recently deleted right here and then see if you can recover them back or permanently delete it. But in this tutorial, we are going to see how we permanently delete unused folder on our Android phone. So for you to permanently delete it, click and hold down from here, then go ahead and click on here to select all. Having select all, come down below right here, click on delete. Two files, delete two files. Delete the selected two files permanently. Go ahead and click on delete right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.